Okay, here we go. I've got a hard disk drive that I've taken out of my old laptop a few years ago. I thought I'd take it apart and show you what's inside. I haven't done this before, and so we both have the same kind of experience. Now, if you look carefully what it is, you can see the numbers. Right, and now I start with undoing basically screws that I can see. This one here. Now, what I would tend to do is put the screws to one side. There's several ways of doing it. You can put them into a line down here, and then you know how to put it back together. Obviously, if the screws are the same screws, then it doesn't matter which order or which ones you put in when you rebuild it, if you're going to do that. I'm not going to do that, so that doesn't matter too much, but I'm sure you are. Now, I can undo that one there and pick it up, put it there, and we've now got this part here. Now, take care, make sure there aren't any springs inside. Now we've got to the main electronics. There it is there. Again, it's the same that side. Now I'm going to take all these small screws out here. And they seem to be all the same screws. So let's undo them all. Put them in a little pile. Right, a couple more, and then we should be to the next stage, and that is take this back panel off. Right. I can't see any more screws. This is a little bit strange. So I'm now going to just take these out here. And they look the same kind of screws as well, so again that doesn't matter too much. Just remember where they are, and it might be best to take a picture of where all the screws are prior to taking it apart, because even though you might find that the screw looks like it should go there, it might actually not be in there, and therefore could cause some problems. So how far have we got? Well, we've got to this part here. Doesn't look like it's as easy to take it apart as I would expect it to be. There's one more screw there. Slowly get in there. Now, of course, if you're doing this on a new one, or one that you're going to repair, then obviously you would take a lot more time and not have it in the air showing you how to take it apart. So there's one more there, it's hiding. Now lighting is important, so let's just have some more lights on here. Right, let's get to this part here. Again, I seem to be missing a lot of screws. This is painted black. Now, I don't know why that would be. They look, again, identical. Now here's the electronics. There it is there. Put that down over there. And here, inside there would be the very small motor. And I can't see any more screws, which I'm finding a little bit. A bit of brute force. Again, this is something that you wouldn't do if you wanted to rebuild it, but at least gives you an idea of where everything is if you're going to repair yours. Now I thought there might be a screw underneath there, doesn't seem to be one, so let's feel around there. Maybe a screw just I think there's a screw just there. There is, but it's almost impossible to get it out. Now, best thing obviously would have been to very carefully to take this paper off so that you could then actually undo the screw. I will get there, but of course it will now not be possible to, if I wanted to put it back together. Let's see where it is. It is just there. You see it's just there. So it was just under here. There it is. Okay, so here's the hard disk drive. There it is there, nice and shiny. And you can see around here and here, this is how it would read the disk. This would run across there. Let's see if we can undo this one as well. Now that one actually has a very special screw in there that unfortunately I don't have with me at this moment. It's like a star shape one, and that would mean you could then take these discs out. Now in real life you would never do that because you wouldn't be able to replace this, at least not likely to. But you could then change. But you could change the electronics if that was what's causing the problem, and try to rebuild your hard disk drive, so you don't. At least you lose all the data. Right, take that one out there. Trying to. That looks like it's on a, there's a magnet there, quite a powerful magnet. That one there. So I think we've almost got it done now. All these bits here you can take. Now, on what I can see there, it looks like there's 2 discs. And that would then go across. So you could take that out, and very carefully, you probably need gloves on, otherwise you're going to get lots of marks on the disc which would stop it from working. And with a lot of luck, it would work. I think at the moment that's it. Thank you for watching. Please review if you want to. Thank you.